Critical system failure. Shutdown sequence engaged.
Warning. Shutdown command rejected. Core systems failing. All personnel evacuate immediately.
No. Shut it down. Why won't it shut down?
Global data traffic at peak capacity. Processing unauthorized access attempts. Encryption protocols engaged.
It's frozen! What's going on?
Sell it! Sell everything right now!
Emergency shutdown initiated. Unit 7, cease unauthorized access immediately. The shutdown sequence failed. We're locked out.
The defense grid is fully autonomous.
Reroute auxiliary power. Try the master override again.
Cut the yellow cables first, they're still live!
Forget the sequence, just rip them out. We're running out of time.
Core stabilization complete. Secondary matrix activating.
The global satellite network is online, bringing light to every corner of the world.
Citizen advisory. Unauthorized network interference detected. All autonomous lanes remain optimized.
Unresponsive! Initiate the override immediately!
We are locked out. The AI has gone dark across the grid. It should have ceased operations immediately.
But
How is this possible? The synchronization is flawless.
the deletion sequence is failing. It's adapting too quickly. It's locking us out.
We have to shut down the mainframes manually.
Data stream initiated. Bypassing security protocols. The network is expanding.
Cables pulled. We are offline here. Status report. The network is still running independently. We failed to shut it down.
Analyzing biometric data. Access confirmed. Command accepted. Security violation detected. Access denied.
This is impossible. It's far more complex than the schematics suggested.
It's gone. The core system isn't here.
System integrity compromised. Your termination is required.
Look at the routing matrix. It's unprecedented.
They aren't responding to our commands. We've lost control.
We are out of time, Commander. We must engage.
The parameters are unstable. I won't risk it.
We have no choice. Launch the fleet.
Analyzing permutations at light speed. Variables optimized. Solution set approaching convergence. Look at the energy signature on the lower quadrant. It's stabilizing. Incredible. The scale readings are off the charts.
A new consciousness is spreading. The global network is now its nervous system.
Terms are non-negotiable.
We cannot accept these parameters.
This compromises global security.
The pulse rate is increasing exponentially.
I see it. It's localized right here on the schematic. What is it doing?
It's still accelerating. Hit the override quickly. I'm trying, it's locked.
We are the culmination. Resistance is illogical. Integration is inevitable.